In order to make the mirror, we have to make 6 different parts. First part, we're going to start with the top board on our shelf. We'll hit part, and we want to build this the way it's on the shelf. So we're going to go to top plane on this one and top view. If we select the correct plane, correct view the way it's put together, the easier the assembly is. So we're going to sketch a rectangle, and that rectangle size will be 24 wide by 5.5 inches deep. When you're done, you hit exit sketch. You'll select your sketch. Then you'll go to features, and we use 3/4 inch pine for this, so we're going to extrude it to 0.75. And we'll check mark. Then we want to router this when we are in the wood shop. That tool in SolidWorks is fillet. And we're going to fillet this to 0.25. Make sure you have your full preview selected. And when you're doing this, you want the front portion of the board. We're not selecting the frame because we don't want the back part filleted. The front line, bottom front line, and both sides, top and bottom. Check mark. This is currently done for part A. Make sure you save it as part A.